Hey guys, what's up? Today's trade is actually a pretty simple one. The market down in here was not really that great as you saw pre-market. As you can see right now, it's bounced back. It's having a pretty good day. For Mondays are normally pretty good in my opinion. So as you can see, this is the one that I traded, and realistically, this is all that we need to talk about right here. No, I did not stay until 165. And I did not get in at the bottom. Again, those are like, it just does not happen. If people tell you they either got really lucky or they had a perfect plan or something along those lines. It's not like you get it most of the time. But this is what I played, and I let it curl up the first time and get in, or I didn't not get in right here. Honestly, I was waiting for it to break this and then let it run. But it came back down onto here, and I had this trend line from here to about here. That's where it broke last time, so I'm already sitting right here, and if it's getting close. So I actually got in around $1.40, and I was letting it sit, hanging out, and I only made 15 cents. So I was out at $1.55, which I was selling on this candle right here, this red candle, because I didn't know how high I was going to. I honestly figured it was going to test 155 and then reject. So that's where I was selling at. And of course, I had my sell order in when I entered it way down in here. So I didn't have a problem getting filled up there. I was one of the first ones to put a sell in right there. But basically, the trade right here today was there wasn't a whole lot pre-market, and I kind of like that because if you were here pre-market, there was really nothing that was looking great, and there was a couple of them I had on my watch list, and I pretty much thinned out my watch list for the rest of the day. But as you can see, this one had a good chunk of volume too, over 1 million shares traded today. It's 2 o'clock, so we're a little bit later than the day that I thought it was. But this pretty much fell, dipped, and then kind of popped back up and started this trend, and I really like this trend. And the main thing that I really liked is that it followed this. When I hit this initial trend line, I only had it up to about here, and then I extended it to the right. And if you guys know how to do that, you just right click it and extend. You can extend it to the left as well. We'll do that real quick. But this had news at 8 o'clock, and then again, it just had this up pre-market, which is just basically showing more people the stock. But again, this was a really simple trade, and not because there was a lot there, but just because it had this decent thing. And really, it hit my scanner. You guys know this. Quit. It hit my volume scanner. And this is what I use a lot. You can't really use it intraday or anything like that. If I'm going to trade stock intraday, I go to personal, and I have a penny stock one just for it. Ugh. And again, there's a ton of them now on here. There's so many. It's 2 o'clock, so more than likely things are done running or they're getting ready to pop up for the closing of the bell. So this is just a basic trade. Tomorrow I'm not going to trade, I don't believe. I got a paper that's due and stuff like that, a research paper. So I'm probably going to take the rest of the day off and then go do that. And then that's basically this video, guys. I just wanted to really fill you guys in on this, and I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. And today's trade was actually a pretty good one. But again, this one was up Friday, and it kept all its gains, which I really liked. And then this morning it had another one. So within a day or two, this one will be a great one to short if you can find shares to short. I don't use TD Ameritrade to short at all. I don't recommend them to short. They're horrible at finding shares. If I'm going to short, I use E-Trade or Interactive Brokers. So with that being said, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.